Good afternoon, ma'am. This is my video presentation, How Can I Better Apply the Constructivist Theory in My Classroom. Constructivist theory emphasizes the active role learners play in constructing their own knowledge. It moves away from the traditional teacher-centered, where information is passively received. Here's how can I better apply this theory in my classroom. First is encourage active learning. In problem-based learning, I will present the real-world problems to the students to explore and solve through research, collaboration, and critical thinking. In inquiry-based learning, I will encourage my students to ask questions, investigate, and formulate their own hypotheses, provide opportunities for them to design experiments, and collect data to draw conclusions. Next is project-based learning. I will engage my students in long-term projects that require for them to apply knowledge and skills across various disciplines. This allows them to take ownership of their learning and develop deeper understanding. Number 2 is foster collaboration and dialogue. Like group work, I will encourage my students to work together in small groups to discuss ideas, share perspectives, and build upon each other's knowledge. Use group projects, debate, and peer teaching activities to promote collaboration. In class discussions, I will create a safe and inclusive environment where students can feel comfortable sharing their own thoughts and challenging each other's ideas. Encourage active listening, respectful communication, and critical thinking during discussions. 3. Provide authentic experiences. First, real-world connections. Link classroom learning to real-world situations and problems. Show students how the concept they are learning apply to their lives and the world around them. Second is field trip and guest speaker. Organize a field trip to museums, historical sites, or local businesses to provide the students with first-hand experiences and connect them to their subject matter. Invite a guest speaker to share their expertise and the real-world experiences. 4. Use technology to enhance learning. The first one is interactive simulation and games. Utilize online simulation and games that allow students to actively explore concepts and test their understanding. The number 5 or the last one is reflect and assess for understanding. These are the self-assessment. I will encourage my students to reflect on their own learning and identify areas where they need further support. And next one, the formative assessment. Use a variety of assessment methods such as quizzes, projects, presentations, and discussions to monitor student progress and provide feedback. And the summative assessment also, I will design assessments that go beyond memorization and require students to demonstrate their ability to apply knowledge and skills in new contexts. By implementing these strategies, I can create a classroom environment that fosters active learning, critical thinking, and deep understanding. Remember, the goal is to guide students in constructing their own knowledge, not simply delivering information to them.